Dropshipping has revolutionized online business, enabling entrepreneurs to start selling without holding inventory. But despite its low startup cost, dropshipping is highly competitive. So how can new entrepreneurs master this business model? Let's explore proven strategies from product selection to marketing that will help you succeed in the world of dropshipping. Welcome back to our channel, where we unlock global opportunities and help your business thrive in the digital marketplace. Today we dive into a comprehensive guide that addresses the most pressing question on every dropshipper's mind: how to dropship successfully. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your existing strategy, this video is your key to unraveling the secrets of profitable dropshipping. Step 1. Select a profitable niche. Choosing the right niche is paramount in dropshipping. Your niche should have 3 key characteristics. What? It should be profitable, meaning there's money to be made. It should be trending, indicating current demand and interest. And it should align with your audience, ensuring that there are people who want and need your product. Your suppliers are the backbone of your dropshipping business. They fulfill orders on your behalf, so reliability and quality are crucial. To find reputable suppliers, consider using directories like SaleWho, Worldwide Brands, and Doba. Once you've identified potential suppliers, reach out. Ask questions about their production capabilities, quality control measures, and shipping options. Building good relationships with your suppliers is essential for ensuring timely delivery and high-quality products that satisfy your customers. Step 3. Leverage effective marketing. Marketing is essential to drive traffic to your store and generate sales. Leverage the power of social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to reach your target audience. Create engaging content showcasing your product's value and run targeted ad campaigns. Additionally, focus on search engine optimization, SEO, to improve your website's visibility in organic search results. By implementing effective marketing strategies, you'll increase brand awareness and drive sales for your dropshipping business. Step 4. Optimize your e-commerce platform. Your e-commerce platform is the face of your business. It should be user-friendly, visually appealing, and mobile responsive. Consider using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to streamline your operations. Optimize your product pages with high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Ensure a seamless checkout process and provide multiple payment options. By creating an intuitive and responsive e-commerce platform, you'll enhance the customer experience and build trust in your brand. Step 5. Analyze your performance. Data-driven decision-making is crucial for optimizing your dropshipping business. Regularly analyze key performance indicators, KPIs such as website traffic, conversion rates, and customer acquisition cost. Use tools like Google Analytics and Facebook Ads Manager to gain insights into customer behavior and campaign performance. By understanding what's working and what's not, you can refine your strategy, allocate resources effectively, and drive continuous improvement. Step 6. Choose a niche. Selecting the right niche is fundamental for a successful dropshipping business. Your niche should possess 3 key characteristics: profitability, trendiness, and alignment with your audience. To identify profitable niches, explore trending products on e-commerce platforms like Etsy and eBay. Look for products with high demand but limited competition. Consider using tools like Google Trends and Exploding Topics to research popular products and upcoming trends. When choosing a niche, ensure it aligns with your interests and target audience. This will make it easier for you to market the products and connect with your customers. Step 7. Research suppliers. Once you've identified a promising niche, it's time to research suppliers. Reliable suppliers are crucial for fulfilling orders accurately and on time. Start by searching online marketplaces like Alibaba and AliExpress to find potential suppliers. Look for suppliers with positive reviews, a history of reliable service, and a good track record. It's also essential to consider factors like product quality, production capacity, and shipping options when evaluating suppliers. To build strong relationships with your suppliers, communicate openly, ask questions about their processes, and negotiate favorable terms. Step 8. Implement marketing strategies. Effective marketing is key to driving traffic to your store and generating sales. Develop a marketing plan that targets your desired audience and showcases your product's unique value proposition. Utilize social media platforms where your target audience spends time. Create engaging content that highlights the benefits of your product and encourages purchases. Run targeted ad campaigns to reach a wider audience. Additionally, focus on search engine optimization, SEO, to improve your website's visibility in organic search results. By implementing a comprehensive marketing strategy, you'll increase brand awareness and drive sales for your dropshipping business. Step 9. Utilize e-commerce platforms. Leverage the power of e-commerce platforms to streamline your dropshipping business. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce offer user-friendly interfaces and powerful features to manage your online store efficiently. These platforms allow you to customize your website, optimize the shopping experience, and process orders seamlessly. Integrate your store with your suppliers to automate order fulfillment and inventory updates. By utilizing e-commerce platforms, you'll save time and resources while providing a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Step 10. Stay adaptable. In the world of dropshipping, adaptability is key. Be prepared to address unexpected challenges such as shipping delays, supplier issues, and changing customer preferences. Develop contingency plans to minimize disruptions and keep your business running smoothly. Stay informed about industry trends and adapt your strategy accordingly. Embrace innovation and be willing to experiment with new products and marketing channels. By remaining flexible and responsive, you'll be able to navigate challenges and capitalize on opportunities in the ever-evolving world of dropshipping. Step 11. Focus on customer service. Customer service is crucial for building trust and loyalty in your dropshipping business. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and resolve issues effectively. Provide clear and detailed product information to avoid confusion and returns. Go the extra mile to exceed customer expectations and turn them into brand advocates. By focusing on customer satisfaction, you'll build a positive reputation and foster long-term relationships that drive repeat business and positive reviews. As you conclude this comprehensive guide on how to dropship successfully, remember that the key to success lies in your ability to adapt, innovate, and prioritize customer satisfaction. By combining market research, strategic planning, and a customer-centric approach, you can position your dropshipping business for success in the competitive e-commerce landscape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below and let us know which aspects of dropshipping you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep exploring, keep growing, and keep unlocking new opportunities in the exciting world of e-commerce.